Speaker, Madam, I beg to move the following motion, namely, that Sri Saluga Pradhan, a member of this House, be chosen as the Deputy Speaker of this House.
Moved. Honorable Chief Minister, to please make the statement in support of the motion.
Honorable Speaker, Madam, Sri Saluga Pradhan has been the member of this august House in the year 2000 and 2019. He represents from G. Udagiri Assembly constituency. Sri Pradhan has a distinguished presence as a member of this august House by highlighting the problems and the requirements of the people he represents. I am sure with his rich experience, he will be a successful Deputy Speaker. I request all members to wholeheartedly support Sri Pradhan. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, Madam.